You, one and all. My name is Tafaz Wamatope. I'm a young man with a visual impairment. I was born in a family of three. My brother, Tinotenda, myself, and my little sister, Nomsa. I did my primary and secondary education at Murewa Mission in Mashonaland East Province. And after finishing my O-level, I saw that it was not enough. I needed to also get a professional course to do in my life. I then joined Jairus Jiri Vocational Training Center as I was doing a course in office management. I did my first year at Jairus Jiri Vocational Training Center. Then after I finished my first year, I later then joined Bulawayo Polytechnic. I joined Bulawayo Polytechnic as I was doing my national diploma in the same course, office management, and I passed very well. I went for attachment. Fortunately, Bulawayo Polytechnic took me for the whole year of my internship. Then I came back for my final diploma. I completed my diploma and I was given my certificate of diploma. During the time of my diploma, I then engaged myself in activism, student activism. I became the student president representative council. I became the president of the Students Representative Council Board, which I did for the whole of 2015. It was not an easy task because students are the ones to vote for you to be in that particular position, and I broke the genes in such a way that ever the introduction of Bulawayo Polytechnic or any other polytechnic here in Zimbabwe, I am the first president with a visual impairment or with a disability to head such a council. I got a lot of experience and exposure up to it. Then after the 2015, when I completed my diploma, I then joined the Bulawayo Polytechnic again for my advanced diploma, which is a higher national diploma of the same course, office management. I then completed my higher national diploma very well with the flying colors. During the period of my higher national diploma, I was then co-opted by the Minister of Higher and Tertiary Education to be in the Transformation Committee. The Higher and Tertiary Education set a committee of research in order to introduce a Bachelor of Technology degrees in polytechnics. And I was the only young student or the only young man in that committee. In that committee, we had vice chancellors of different universities. We had also professors in different universities. We also had two principals, one from Tare Poly and Harare Poly, and myself. I was in that top brass meeting which the Higher and Tertiary Education Ministry had set for the introduction of Bachelor of Technology degrees. I went through that committee, giving experience, sharing views with the top brass in the ministry, trying to make things happen. And in that committee, I was representing also students with disabilities. And it went well, that committee. We managed to do what was required from that committee. I completed my high national diploma and graduated 2017. When I graduated 2017, I then tried to look for a job, and this was not an easy task for me to complete, but fortunately, because of God, He has got a way and He has got always have an answer to everything. I successfully got employed by the government of Zimbabwe through Public Service Commission in 2018, 1 August. So I joined the Public Service Commission in 2018, and fortunately the time when I spent here at Bulawayo Polytechnic, I was then deployed by the Public Service to work at Bulawayo Polytechnic. Currently I'm the one of the executive assistants of the Bulawayo Polytechnic institution. Thereafter, the principal of Bulawayo Polytechnic, Mr. Gilbert Mabasa, also saw that it was also prudent enough for me not to lose the position. I managed to work tirelessly and make sure everything is in place. Therefore, in some other things, the principal of Bulawayo Polytechnic also made sure that I am well accommodated, and I also enjoy my working environment. However, ladies and gentlemen, this is the life which I went through as a person with a visual impairment. There are a lot of different difficulties which I faced in my life. For example, when I joined Bulawayo Polytechnic, this was the first time in the institution to enroll a visually impaired student, and therefore I struggled through and make sure everything is in place. There were no braille equipment, there were no braille materials, there were no reading materials. I was only following lecturers through thick and thin when they come for the lessons. But however, because of the intelligence and diligence in myself, I managed to break through and I passed all my exams. I also, each and every level which I've set, I did not have any fail so that I will sit for any rewrites. I fortunately started well and completed my courses very well. Currently, I am also working very well at Bulawayo Polytechnic with also other staff members without disabilities. We have joined hands together and make sure things are being done properly. Among other things, I'm also a person who is a disability activist. I've joined a lot of programs, associations and organizations here in Bulawayo. And as I'm speaking right now, currently, I'm one of the committee members of the committee which was set through the Office of Your Excellency Auxilia Mnangagwa in disability issues. I'm also one of the committee members. My journey was not easy as a person with a disability, but I've even told myself that disability doesn't mean inability. Ladies and gentlemen, it is difficult for a person to be a person with a disability trying to mainstream your life to the persons with able-bodied. It is not an easy task, but because of determination and looking forward for the best in future, you have to struggle through, and this is what I did. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.